Hello everybody, my name is Eun-Me Ahn. I'm the director of the 1 Minute 59 project. I would like to invite you to come to this project because this is fun to do together. The reason of the pandemic situation now, we only can do online. But will be very interesting to do. I strongly recommend it to you because can find your potential possibility, what you have inside of your mind and then the brain and everything. This project I started from 5 years before, and this is kind of idea we never touch you. You have to create everything by yourself, 1 minute 59 seconds. But we can give you free class and free advice and free cheer up energy from me and all my crews. And also Clint Lutus can be your assistant to help you how you're gonna organize this and then process this project. And I hope this strongly sad situation will go over soon, but we have to get up for ourselves. And then let's go to forward. Please, welcome to 1 Minute 59 project. Let's do it together! Yay!